The sampling sheet was developed as a table. So on your left column, you're going to have the stops of 1 through 3. And next to those stops of 1 through 3 are going to be 3 stars. And those 3 stars are to help you indicate if you had plants that were over 50 or under 50, so that you can make a decision once you've sampled 12 plants. So what you would do is you would get to a field, grab 2 leaves, preferably a lower leaf and an upper leaf. You're going to look at them simultaneously. And when you evaluate these, you need to know whether or not there's 50 or more combined. So is there more than 50 on both of these leaves when combined? And if the answer is yes to that, you're going to circle one of those stars. If the answer is no to that question, you're going to slash those stars. Once you get to 12 plants, you can make a decision on whether to keep sampling, treat, or stop sampling. And that'll be based on how many of the circles you can count up, which are your plants that are over 50. When you're looking at a plant and you see multiple small colonies, which is in today's world with the resistant varieties we have, you're more or less going to be evaluating if these 2 leaves combined with 2 small colonies is over 50. If you're having trouble making that decision, our intentions was not for you to count every aphid, just circle that plant. And the more you sample, if you have questionable plants that may or may not be over 50, it'll work out in the wash. The sampling protocol goes clear to 54 samples, which I've never gotten to when I've tested it. But if you have a question on whether or not you're above or below 50, go ahead and circle that plant and say it's infested and move on. And if you're not supposed to treat, it'll work out.